Thank you very much, Shocks. And well, can they go on and win it? That is the big, big question. We'll have to find out because that is only a short month away. After Gamescom, 4 teams will be heading to Worlds. The Turkish team Dark Passage took the international qualifier spot against the teams from the Commonwealth of Independent States and Oceania. Alliance and Fnatic, well, of course, they secured their spots at Worlds by winning the semi-finals matches on Friday. And yesterday, SK Gaming, they got to the final spot by taking down Roccat and securing that 3rd place. Fantastic stuff overall for all of the teams involved. And while the LCS has wrapped up here in Europe, things will be kicking off in North America as their playoffs will be beginning on Saturday, August 23rd, with a quarterfinal match between teams Solo Mid and Dignitas.
And then Team Curse will take on Counter Logic Gaming for the last semi-final spot on Sunday the 24th. Those matches begin each day at 9 p.m. Central European Summer Time, which is 12 noon Pacific.
Absolutely. That wraps things up, ladies and gentlemen, for us here at Gamescom, as well as the European LCS Summer Split. We'd like to extend a special thank you once again to Crepo for joining us on the analyst desk. And now on behalf of myself, Deficio, Joe, Quickshot, Shocks, and the entire LCS broadcast team, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you at Worlds.
Roccat are going to win the game. You will face Fnatic in the semi-finals. SK will go through and face Alliance in the semi-finals. Dark Passage win the wildcard tournament. Nice shockwave and shockwave though, compactly down. Fnatic will be the first European team at Worlds.
Rocket looks across, Candy Panda goes down, it's the triple, gets the quadra kill. SK Gaming move on to the World Championships. Alliance and Fnatic will go head to head.